Hey guys, let's take a look at this solar power bank that I got on Amazon. You see this one works with 20,000 milliamp hour, which is pretty good. In here, I see that it has the panels, you see. You can charge with different panels, so it's pretty good. You can charge faster, all right? So let's just unbox. You see here that I have this plastic to protect the device. There we go. And then it comes here with a USB-C cable, so USB-C to USB-C, and nothing here. In here, a strap, so you can just connect to the device and you can hang on it, right? So super nice. And here, see, that's interesting. You can just press a button and open the panel. So you have 3 solar panel here to charge the device. Here on the back, there is a cable so you can connect to your iPhone using a lightning cable. And here, there's the USB cable. So 2 of them, I'll just remove it from here. See here and here. Then I can connect to my phone, right? Here, for example, I can just come and connect to my iPhone using the lightning cable. Let's just see if it works. There we go, it starts charging. And it's charging pretty fast, all right? Then I can do the same here with the other phones. Let me just show more about the device. So basically here on the top, you see that's on. And the charge here, 100%. And there's the USB ports just right here as well. You see here Type-C in the center. So you can charge your device using an extra cable like this small one. And here USB-A out as well, and USB-C in, so you can charge the device from here. And there's also the LEDs here, and you can just observe, for example, when I open the panel, let me just open it again, there we go, and you see that starts charging. See the information here? That's using the solar charge, and it's charging the device. Even though I'm just using the lights that I have here on the top, right? I'm not having sunlight right now, but either way, it just starts charging. So it's super good. You know, when I close it here, you see that stops charging. So super simple to use. Here you can just put the strap, and you can also use the lights. So here, for example, you can just press a button to charge the device, and if you press to turn on the device, and if you press and hold, you can see this light, which is super nice, super useful if you need some light like this. And if you come here as well and double press, you see the emergency lights. Pretty useful, right? And then you press and hold again. You see here the lights, and you can even turn it off. There we go. Okay. Let me just check more interesting things here, starting with measurement, right? So I have here the device that I can measure when it's charging, and I can just use a cable like this one, for example, the USB-C here, and I can connect here in the input. So I have in here the device, there we go, and I can come just right here, use this small cable, connect here to the out, and connect to my phone. Let me just bring here this Samsung phone. It's an old one. It's a Samsung S9. Just connect here and see if it works, or if I just need to invert here because of the device that's measuring. There we go. You see here a welcome message, and I can see here the measurement, right? See here, let me just approach this here from this camera. So see, that's working basically with 4.5 volts, practically 5 volts, right? 1.83 amps, and here's the total power, 9 watts, okay? The device can just negotiate with the cell phone. Let me do the same here with another phone. Let's just remove this one from here and try another phone here. This one, S22. I just connect the cable here as well. And let's just see what happens. All right, so now I have 8.6, 9 volts, right? 2 amps, 18 watts. right? So you see that I have different power here for this device because it just negotiates with the device back there. And I still have this meter here in the center that is going to change a little bit the behavior here, right? Usually you're not gonna have the meter here, you just connect directly here to your phone. But I'm just using to have the measurement here. See 18 watts now, and it's working super good. Okay, so super good. I can just use the cable on the top as well. Let me just put this back here and see here on the top that I have the output here that I can connect this cable just from here. There we go. And starts charging again. Okay, it's charging. You can see here on the top that it's charging. So it works great, and you can charge the device. Let me just check the specs here. See, that's important to understand. Here in the box I have some information. Just close this down so we can see better here. This camera. There we go. You see basically here that it works with 20,000 milliamps. Here's the battery capacity. There we go. 74 watts hour. And here's the important part, right? You have the input and output. You see here 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 2 amps, 12 volts, 1 amp. So basically, it's going to negotiate with your device and start charging accordingly, right? And you have the USB-A as well, 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 12 volts. So you have different voltages and current to charge your device. So super good. And I'm gonna use this one just to charge my devices, especially when I'm traveling. For example, I can have this working with this solar panel. If I don't have like somewhere to charge a device, I'm gonna use this solar panel, right? I like this one. I highly recommend it. You can get yours on Amazon.